This behind me is the best city view of Mumbai. Namaskara everyone, I am Vidhi and recently I went to Mumbai on a family trip. For our stay we booked Trident Hotel which is at Nariman Point. It is one of the most iconic hotels in Mumbai. It is one of those hotels where you can have the best view of the ocean. Trident is one of the best and the luxurious hotels in Mumbai and in South Bombay. And if you have ever visited to South Bombay, this part has a charm. I mean, back at home and my heart is still there. Both property and hospitality is amazing. When we reached there, we were welcomed by some sweets and it was time of high tea and the high tea was amazing. But the best part is the view. I mean, I felt like not doing anything, just sitting in my room like a child, watching the sea and the city view. And oh my god, trust me, I didn't feel like going anywhere. This was the best view of my life so far. This room also came up with a surprise. Apart from Queen's Necklace, I was able to see the ships, though I was not able to see the Taj Mahal Hotel, but the ships in front of it and the classic sea view. Look at it. Right from sunrise to sunset, the view keeps changing its color. Also, it felt like sea is just an extension of my room. Also, in front of me, this white building is Air India building. The office is shut now. So, if you are in Mumbai and love ocean, this is definitely one of the best sea view you can wake up to. Well, the room also is as amazing as the view. But I was so lost in the view that I totally forgot to record the room tour. And in bits and portion, I recorded it. Let's have a look. The interiors are minimal yet too luxurious, giving you a perfect balance of comfort and class. So, this was an executive suite, and as soon as you enter, you will see a cozy couch, a work desk, a powder room, TV, basic amenities, and a king size bed. Well, this room is all about comfort, luxury, and an amazing sea view. At night, you can see the Queen's necklace glittering. This is me 100 times recording this view and totally forgot to record the other hotel videos. And this was like a storage and a wardrobe area, quite spacious. The bathroom was huge with a bathtub, premium toiletries, and everything you need to relax. Also, the staff was so sweet that they sent us some more fruits and sweets. Please ignore my sleepy face, but I was so excited that I woke up at 6 a.m. to go and walk on Marine Drive. But to my bad luck, it was raining, so I kept watching like a baby again from there. And slowly, and the crowd started gathering. So, if you are ever planning for a luxurious stay in Mumbai, do try Trident Hotel. The property is amazing. The swimming pool view is to die for, and the food was also good. And also, please like and subscribe my video.